morning Kids Company family and friends, and this week we're learning all about occupations. So I thought today, why not use our chef skills to do some patterning. But first, before we start, I want to take off my mask so you can hear me a bit better. And then before we use anything, we have to spritz and sanitize our hands. So let's sanitize. There we go, all clean. Okay, so for this activity, you will need some blueberries and 2 bananas, a cutting board, and a butter knife. Okay, so first I'm going to peel my banana. There we go. Get it all off. There we go. And then we're going to peel the other banana. There we go. And there we go. So the next part, I would advise you to do it with an adult. Okay, that you'll let your mommy and daddy help you with this. So first we are going to cut our bananas. Very thinly, let's cut. There we go. Cut all our bananas. Almost there. There we go. You can use the end bits. That's difficult. Here we go. Let's cut our second banana. Let's put that on the side. Cut, cut, cut. There we go. There we go. Good job on using your chef skills. Okay, so now we're going to take our blueberries and pour it with our bananas. There we go. Oopsie. Oops. Don't let them fall. Like teacher just did. Let's rather take with our hands, hey? There we go. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to group them. Does blueberries and bananas belong together? No, so let's move them separately. Let's move our blueberries to this side and our bananas to that side. So let's group them. Bananas with bananas and blueberries with blueberries. Here we go. There we go. Bananas on that side. Almost done. There we go. Now we grouped our blueberries on the one side and our bananas on the other side. Now we're going to start our patterns. Okay, so our first pattern is going to be blueberry, banana, blueberry, banana. So what comes next? A blueberry, you're right. And then a banana. And then another blueberry. And then a banana. And then a blueberry. And our last one, another banana. Okay, so let's start our second pattern. I think we're going to start with 2 bananas, 2 blueberries. What's next? 2 bananas. And then 2 blueberries. Good job. And again, 2 bananas. And lastly, blueberries again. Good job. Okay, now we're going to make our last one. So let's do it. 3 blueberries, a banana. 3 blueberries. What's next? A banana. Good job. And then another 3 blueberries. Good job. And then a banana. And there we go. Okay, now let's see how many blueberries do we have. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 blueberries. Okay, now let's count our bananas. How many bananas do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 bananas. Let's see how many fruit do we have all together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. We have 34 fruits all together.
I hope you enjoyed this activity with me and by freshening up your chef skills. Now you can have your healthy snack. Bye!